Hey y'all, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tay, and today I am doing first day of summer vacation vlog. Today is the first official day of no school for all of my kids except for my son. He's still in school. He only gets a week out for summer vacation, and his last day is I think June 28th, so he'll be out June 28th just for a week though, and then he goes back like literally that Monday after July 4th. So for the rest of my kids though, today is the first official day. So I've got my baby girl in the back. You probably can't see her head. She's sitting down on her tablet, and so we're just doing a family vlog today. So yeah, you guys, as always, make sure you smash that like button. If you want to join our tribe, all you got to do is click subscribe. So I am headed to get my locks done. I am 2 weeks overdue. I'm usually pretty good about lock maintenance. I have my faithful loctician, master loctician that I go to once every 2 months, and I missed my last appointment, which was 2 weeks ago, right on the 2-month mark, because I just didn't have the money. So I just had to reschedule it because I couldn't afford it. So I told myself, with all the hard work that I've been doing, you know what I mean, it's only $70 every 2 months, you know what I mean. I'm gonna go ahead and get my locks done because I don't want all of this to go down the drain, you know what I mean. Your locks can really start to deteriorate if you don't take care of them, and it's good to be consistent, whether you're doing it yourself or whether you're having someone else do it. So when I get there, I'm going to take off my scarf and show you guys what it's looking like, but it's looking real Whoopi Goldberg-ish up here around these regions, you know what I'm saying. So, and I love just getting my scalp scratched, and I just can't wait. So all of my kids will be here tomorrow. I'm going to pick them up from their second home. I'm going to pick them up from there tomorrow around 1:30, and then they're going to be with me for the next 2 weeks. So with my kids, because I've kind of got split custody, I've got split custody of them, so I do a rotation. When the summertime comes, everything is pretty much, I get the majority of the time because they're there majority of the time for the school year, if that makes sense. So since I only have them on the weekends when school is in, then during summertime I get them more. Now last year we did it differently, where I had them for a full 6 weeks, and then their auntie, who's their guardian, she had them for I think 2 weeks or 4 weeks or something like that, and then I think their dad had them for like a week. But anyways, I got majority of the time. So this time around we decided to do it a little bit differently because Dad's not really in the picture anymore. He hasn't really ever been in the picture like that to begin with. He's kind of just been like in and out doing his own thing. He kind of comes in when he wants to, and then he leaves when he feels like he can leave. So it's just mainly me and Auntie being co-parents, and I'll do a Q&A on that at a later date when my page gets a little bit bigger. I'm not going to go into explanation too much right now about that, but basically, since I've been a constant in the kids' life since they were born, of course I get priority. But yeah, so they'll be here tomorrow for 2 weeks. I'll be taking them back at the end of June, and then they're going to be there with Auntie for a week, and then come back to me for another 2 weeks. And so we're going to rotate like that until the end of summer. It's kind of frustrating, and I'm kind of anxious to see how this is going to work out, because 2 weeks and then 1 week and then 2 weeks and then 1 week, and then Auntie doesn't really have transportation, so I have to do all of the driving, picking them up, dropping them off. Sorry about the focus, you guys, but I'm still using my camera on my phone until I can get a tripod. But you know, yeah, I'm doing majority of the driving, picking them up and dropping them off. So we're gonna see how this is gonna work out, but I think it should be fun. You know what I'm saying? Kids are gonna be with me. We're gonna be doing a lot of new creative things that I really haven't been able to do, which is why
in 1,000 feet, turn left onto Pioneer Boulevard.
I'm mentioned in my last video, my Instacart video, that this is, you know, Instacart and Uber Eats and all that is basically my full-time income or whatever. So the reason why I did that is because of the situation with my kids. The whole reason why.
Turn left onto Pioneer Boulevard.
Well, I'm not going to go on that because I found myself ready to go into it right then and there. But anyways, I like the flexibility because having my kids with me, childcare is just too expensive. When I was working, I was paying $130 a day for childcare for 6 to 8 hours. And I don't have that type of money. So I was just like, you know what? They can come with me. And when I do Instacart, they'll stay at home, you know, with my son's father. My fiance or whatever, to stay at home with my fiance.
Continue on Pioneer Boulevard for 1 mile.
When I'm doing Instacart, when I do Uber Eats or DoorDash or any of those platforms, I always take my kids with me because, you know, my oldest is 12 years old. She's just as big as I am, literally. You guys, if you guys check back at the other vlogs, you'll see that she's just as big as I am. So, you know, me going inside the restaurant and grabbing the food and coming back in like less than 60 seconds or whatever. She's old enough to sit in the car with her sisters for 30 seconds. So, but Instacart definitely not. But, and like I was saying, I'm just babbling on. I get the flexibility of being able to work around this very unique situation with my kids, and that's the whole reason why I'm doing it. I'm looking for something a little bit more consistent, a stay-at-home job, and I found this really great forum. I just haven't really been putting any time and effort into actually going in there and seeing what I can apply for, but I think I'm going to do that. And then also, I'm still doing my medical billing and coding, which you guys definitely stay tuned. I'm going to be uploading some videos very soon on the resource that I have been using. I got a question today on a past video where someone was asking me, is Leaseville real? So I think I'm going to do not an unboxing, but I'm going to do like a small 5-minute video to just basically explain what that company is for those of you who are interested, and also for those of you who are interested in any like at home, online. Okay, I cannot literally do, like, you have no cars in front of you, you're driving slower than what people walk. I'm sorry, you guys, I have a little bit of road rage, but anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, and for those of you who
in a quarter mile, turn right onto Imperial Highway.
Interested in any like online schools, I am enrolled currently in 2 different platforms. I'm getting my bachelor's degree in healthcare management, and then I'm also going to be certified in medical billing and coding, because that you can do from home, and medical billing and coding is very lucrative. You can make like $50,000 a year, and that's pretty cool staying at home. I don't have to travel, I don't have to worry about gas, none of that, and it's consistent. So
take the next right onto Imperial Highway.
But I definitely want to do a video just really discussing those 2 institutions that I'm doing that with, just, you know, for those of you who are interested in any other options out there for furthering your education. And also, like I said, I want to talk a little bit more about this other company that I just recently purchased a camera from. But I'm gonna continue on my little trip to the shop, and when I get there, like I said, I'm gonna take off my scarf and show you guys what it's looking like before, so that you can see the final product. Alright, you guys, I'm literally around the corner from the shop. I just wanted to give you guys a quick glance over at my locs. I have thinning edges. Well, I have thin edges, they're already thin.
You've arrived.
So I don't really style my hair because I want to give all, you know, I'm still in the locking phase. I wouldn't necessarily say that my locks are mature, so I definitely want to give my hair a good fighting chance at surviving, because this is not something that, hold on you guys, I'm trying to focus on where I'm gonna park. Can I park right there? No, that's 30-minute parking. We're gonna be here longer than that. Is this 30-minute parking? Yeah, it is. Okay, so I am trying to find a parking space that's not for 30 minutes. Is this one? Oh yeah, it is one, although the space is kind of small. I'm sure I'm finna squeeze up in there best way I can. Hopefully I don't cause any damage. I need to straighten out because I will definitely forget upon exiting this parking space, and I don't want to scratch my car or nobody else's in the process. So let me just straighten. Oh, hate when people do that. You see me coming out, and then you're gonna try to skim past me anyway. All right, so I am here, you guys. So yeah, I wanted to just kind of give you guys a quick glance over. So as you can see, this is what happens generally when you go too long without getting your hair done. So that's why they say when you're in the beginning stages. I've had my locks now for about 3-4 years. I want to say I've only been there about 4 years, going on 4 years. So you definitely want to keep up on your maintenance until your locks become mature. I don't think that my locks are mature, and I'm going to do a separate video talking about how they started out, because my locks didn't start out as locks. It was a process and blah 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 blah. But anyway, this is how they look now. So I'm going to try to get some footage of the shop. For those of you who are in the Long Beach, California area, you guys can definitely come over here. They do excellent work here. There's more than one loctician here, and like I said, they do excellent work, and they're melanated people. They're my people, so of course I love supporting black businesses. So yeah, I'm gonna go in here and get my hair done, and I'm gonna try to catch some footage of her washing these locks, and yeah, see you guys in a bit.
Drawn to, you know, the location.
Oh, I thought my car was missing. I was about to say, now wait a minute now. When I went inside, I had a vehicle. Need to be a vehicle when I come back out. All right, go ahead and get up in there. Fall and bust my behind. Okay. All right, y'all. So as you can see, I am done. I am super. She does wonderful. She is absolutely wonderful. What? Oh, my purse. Yeah, let me grab that here. Fix this nice and neatly. Pretty sure you guys are getting little shots of my scalp. Look completely different than what it was looking like when I went in there. I usually get my locks done every 8 weeks. But this time, due to financial reasons, I had to reschedule again. So I actually went, I think, 10 weeks. So I'm trying not to do that, because the more consistent you are with locks, the better for your lock health. My locks are smaller at the front because my hair is thinner in the front, and then of course they're thicker in the back, at least at the base. But my locks have gotten long. Oh my God, I didn't realize until just right now how long these things are. But anyways, I am satisfied. She does a really good job. I'm so satisfied. So satisfied. So we are about to head home, y'all. I just wanted to pop in. Hold on, let me focus on bagging out. Safety first. I have the thing propped up anyway, so it's not like I'm holding the camera. But yeah, you guys have to excuse the lighting. It's natural light. Sometimes it's a positive and sometimes it's not. So if it's really, at least the way I'm looking at the camera, it looks a little off, like murky. But when I go back and edit, it probably looks different. It probably looks better. But anyways, you guys, yeah, so I want to upload a video later on talking about how I maintain my locks at home, because even though I go to someone for maintenance of my locks, there's still some steps at home that you need to take care of yourself. For those of you who have locks, who've been on a lock journey for a sufficient amount of time, or even if you're just starting, you know. Oh, and I didn't record while I was in there because feels so good to have free scalp. But I wanted to enjoy her shampooing my hair. That's my only free time. Like I said earlier, my kids are coming this weekend, so I definitely wanted to get my hair done before they come, because the experience is so much more stressful when kids are going, "Are you done yet, mommy? We're hungry, we're ready to go," and all of that. And I could have just fed them suckers and they still would be hungry. So I wanted to enjoy my baby back there. She don't give me too much trouble, except for times where she just kind of blanks out. But ooh, it's itching, and it feels good to itch my scalp. Woo! She just greased it, put some of that good shea butter on there. It's all greased up. But yeah, you guys, you know, when you have locks, you have to take care of your locks. Whether you go to a loctician or not, there's still some things that you have to do at home, like make sure that you're sleeping on satin or silk pillows. Make sure that when you're wrapping your hair, that you're wrapping your hair with satin or silk wraps. I just went to the fabric store and bought some satin fabric and just folded it into a triangle, and I wrap my hair with that usually. But I wear a lot of cotton head wraps because I like to keep my hair wrapped. The only time I don't have my hair wrapped is when it's fresh like this. But even when it is fresh, majority of the time I like to have my hair wrapped. I'm a very spiritual person. I believe this is my crown, and so I don't expose my crown to everybody all the time. I believe that the head is a beacon for picking up spiritual energy, and like I said, I'm a very spiritual person and empathic person, so I don't want to be walking around with everybody's yuck in my head. But I am going to upload a video really soon, probably in 2 weeks when I wash my hair, because I will wash my hair in 2 weeks to keep it from getting really like itchy, and at that time I usually do like a spiritual wash on my hair, a spiritual cleanse. So I'm definitely going to upload a video of that. But I just wanted to talk with you guys for a little while. We're doing regular family vlogs. Like I said, I don't know what we're going to be doing this summer vacation. This is my first time having my channel up and running while it's actually summertime, vacation time, or whatever. So I'm really excited to see what's going to be happening. I don't know what we're going to be doing, honestly. I don't know. My kids have got so many ideas. I really want to teach them about money. I want to teach my kids about finance and the economy and things of that nature. So I said I wanted to open up like a little candy store and really show them how to invest into themselves and their own business. I want to get my kids thinking in a different mindset, more entrepreneurial mindset, instead of what do they call it? Poverty consciousness. I don't want them to be thinking like poor people. I don't want them to be thinking about materialistic stuff, because I can already see that my oldest child, she's got that balling out mentality. She likes a whole lot of bling bling. I don't know where she get that from, because I'm not like that. I'm a very simple person. The only thing that I am expressive with, like I said, is my nails. And to me, spending $50 to $60 to get my nails done is nowhere near the same as it is spending $500, $600 on weave or jewelry that I can't afford, or you know what I mean. Like, I'm not trying to be blinged out at all. I look for the bargains. I got these rings from JCPenney and they were like $100, 10 karat, and not all at the same time. So and a couple of them were gifts from my nail tech, which thank you, boo. But anyways, I don't want to just keep talking you guys' ear off about nothing. Like I said, this was just more or less about you guys. I wanted to show you guys the before and after of how my hair looks, because I always have my hair wrapped in all my videos. And I said, I'm pretty sure somebody is wondering, what do I have going on under my hair wraps? And it's just when you see me with my hair wrapped all the time, it's because it's time for me to get my hair done. And then sometimes, like I said, for the majority of the time, I wear my hair wrap continuously. It doesn't matter what's going on. I'm not gonna put this hair wrap on because my hair is clean and that hair wrap is dirty, but I get hot quick too, so I'm pretty sure by the time I get home I will be burning, because I'm already sweating and glistening, and I'm gonna want to get this hair out of my face. But I'm gonna continue on my journey home. I will see you guys definitely in the next video. I think I'm gonna be uploading a video today because I got Instacart scheduled for the rest of the week. I'm doing Instacart today from 5 to 9, so I'm gonna let you guys know how that turns out. So stay tuned, you guys. Definitely smash that like button. As always, you know I love it when you guys come and chill with me, listen to me rant and talk. If you want to join our tribe, all you gotta do is click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.